PaschalineAlex here if you're new, and I know that I've been gone for a very long time, but my darlings, I'm so sorry. I'm back and I'll be consistent this time around. Okay, Tata. What we're going to teach today is members of family in Igbo language. Tata, I got members of family in Igbo language. That's a zinolo. Family in English, a zinolo in Igbo language. So let's go, babies. Okay, let's proceed to the class. Okay, divine. Tata, I got family, a zinolo. I'm wearing parents in Igbo, nne, nana. Parents in Igbo is nne, nana. Then when you want to say my parents in Igbo, you say nne, nana. Then we have mother. Mother in Igbo is nne. You see, mother, nne. When you want to say my mother, you say name. We have father. Father is nna or nna. Okay, so I am a grandfather from your father's side, and if you want to call them, you say nna nna or nna ochie. From your mother's side, you say nna nne or nna ochie. Then we have grandmother. Grandmother from the father's side is nna or nnochie. Then we have grandmother from your mother's side. You say nne or nnochie. Then we have sibling. Sibling, that's one name. Then when you now join it and say siblings, is umunne. Then you want to say my sibling is one name, or you want to say our sibling, umunne. Then you have brother. Brother is one name. Brother is one name, okay. Then we have sister. Sister is one name, one. Then if you want to say, oh, my sister, you then say one name, one. We have husband, you know, your baby. Husband is D. Then when you want to say my husband is dim, like dim. You have a wife. Wife, your baby girl, is called munye. Wife is munye. When you want to say my wife, you say munye. You know, you just say munye. Then we have in-law. In-law, ogo. In-law, ogo. If you want to say my in-law, you say ogom. Then there are some that are not here. If you want to say mother-in-law, you know, you say ogomwai. You want to say father-in-law, you say ogomwoke. So my lovely people, Anyamuchala and Ketata. But all I want to tell you, this channel is not just for Igbo people, okay? If you are from outside, you are from Yoruba, anywhere in the world, and you want to learn Igbo language, this channel is for you, and I will teach you properly. Details, very simple. So thank you so much for joining my class. See you guys next time, and please make sure you subscribe, watch, like, share, and tell me what you want to see next on my channel. Love you, bye.